Hello traders, how are you doing today? How has been your trading? I hope you made some profit today. If you did not make profit today, tomorrow is another day. All right, today we had a good sell-off due to the CPI news release. All right, so if you're a returning subscriber, I want to thank you so much for your support. Please like our videos, like each video that I release. This helps me to know that you are benefiting from the contents that I share with you, and it will encourage me to produce more contents for you. Like our videos, please. And if you're a returning subscriber, please, if you are a new subscriber, please kindly like our videos as well. If you're a visitor to our channel and you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe so that we can do more. All right, subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and also share our videos with your friends. This is our vision and our goal to help as much forex traders, upcoming forex traders as possible, so that their trading and learning curve would actually be shortened. Okay, so now I've shared with you, and I continue to share with you a lot of strategies. All right, many strategies on how to benefit from the forex market. I've shared a lot of strategies with you. I've shared a lot of strategies. Check the history of this YouTube channel. You see several strategies that I've tested over time and I've used over time. Okay, so but among all my strategies, there is a particular one that actually stands out at actually made me a lot of money. Okay, this strategy has made me a lot of money. And if you're a member of our Telegram group, both the free Telegram group and also my VIP and the mentees group, you would also know that I love this strategy so much. And because I love you and because I want you to succeed and I want you to progress in this journey, I'll be sharing this strategy with you. Okay, all you just need to do is to like this video, okay, and share it with your friends. I want you to succeed. I want you to prosper. I want you to be a success in this industry, just as I'm successful. So what is this strategy that has helped me and has made me more money? Okay, this strategy, I'll be showing you this strategy in a nutshell. Okay, this is actually the strategy. Okay, when the market takes out liquidity, this is a sell setup of the strategy. When market takes out liquidity, okay, breaks structure and now forms a double top or triple top, and now goes into the zone that was created by the liquidity, by the break of structure, and now sells. This is actually the sell pattern of this strategy. Okay, let me come again. You see liquidity is actually taken out. The market creates break structure. Okay, there's a break of structure right here, and the market sells down. This is the sell model of this strategy. Now the market goes up, now forms a double top liquidity or triple top liquidity or a range liquidity, and now buys up to the zone, to the supply zone, and now we look for entry confirmations at this point, and we sell down the market. This is just you would relate with this strategy if you have been following me. If you have been following my trades, you will see that this is a common pattern that I trade, and it has made me more money than any other strategy so far. At least so far, it has made me more money since I became a profitable trader. This strategy has really been very useful to me, and both the entry sell model and the buy model of this strategy. Okay, now let us see further more explanation to this. As I said, liquidity is taken out. This is liquidity is taken out by this candle, and now the market breaks structure, forming a supply zone right here, a fresh supply zone right here, and then the market buys up, creates liquidity, a double top liquidity or range liquidity or triple top liquidity, and now buys up to the supply zone, and now we look for entry confirmations right here, and now we sell off. Okay, here there's a supply retest, and now we sell off. So this is the strategy. All right, this is the strategy. It's really works well. It works well for me, and I thought that I should share it with you. Okay, I thought I should share it with you. All right, now this is a buy. What we have seen before, this is a sell model of the strategy. Okay, this is a sell model, but now let me show you the buy model of this strategy. Okay, in the same way, the market takes out liquidity, the sell side liquidity takes out liquidity right here, breaks structure at this point. Okay, the market broke structure at this point, and now creates some liquidity, some range liquidity around this point, range or double bottom liquidity, and now comes to the supply zone, the demand zone, and now we look for entry here, and now we buy it up. So this is the buy model of this strategy. Now let me come again. The buy model of this strategy just is similar to the sell model of the strategy. Here, the liquidity, the market takes out liquidity, okay, break structure. All right, we have a break in market structure, okay, creating a demand zone, buys up, creates some form of liquidity pool, like a double top liquidity or triple top, double bottom liquidity or triple bottom liquidity or range liquidity, and now the market takes out the liquidity, goes into the demand zone that was created, and then we look for entry confirmation, and the market buys out. All right, and we buy, we enter a buy trade right there. Okay, this is the buy model of it. Now let me throw more light to the strategy, both the buy, the sell model, and the buy model. Now look at it again. And this is a sell model. The market takes out liquidity, breaks structure, okay, sell down, causes a supply zone. Okay, the market takes out some liquidity right here. There is a break of market structure, or you can call it the change of character in this case. Okay, now forming a fresh unmitigated supply zone, and now the market sells down, creates double top or triple top or range liquidity, okay, at this point, and now we have the market come down and then buys up to the supply zone, and now we look for entry at this point. And now we sell down the market. Okay, this is another pictorial description of the sell model of the strategy. Okay, another one, the buy model. Again, there's a range, there's a liquidity taken out right here. The market breaks structure, okay, buys up, creating a demand zone, a fresh unmitigated demand zone. The market buys up, now takes out, forms a double bottom liquidity or triple top bottom liquidity or a range liquidity, buys up, and now takes out all this liquidity into the demand zone, and now buys up. We look for our buy entry right here at the demand zone that was created, and we buy up. Okay, so this is the sell, this is the buy model of it. Now we're going to go into the live chart, not the live chart, into a chart, actually, a chart, and so that we can see clearly how I have traded this strategy over time. I've brought out samples of my previous trades. Okay, whatever I share with you in this YouTube channel are my personal experiences. Okay, I share with you from my personal experiences of trades I have taken over time, and what have worked for me, what have worked. When I tell you, whatever I tell you in this channel are things that I have practiced and have worked for me so well, and I feel that they can also help you. Okay, that is why you need to, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, subscribe, because I have a lot in store for you over time. Okay, now let's look at the chart. Now look at this trade. I actually share this setup with my mentees. Okay, the market took out liquidity right here, broke structure, break of structure, bought and sold down right there. Okay, creating a fresh unmitigated supply zone. Okay, creates triple top liquidity. Okay, and when this triple top liquidity was created, I knew, and I marked this chart and sent to my mentees, and I knew that the market was going to buy up to the zone before selling. Okay, I shared this chart with my mentees. I think on the 11th of October, I shared the chart. This is a GBP USD chart. I shared this chart with my mentees, and I informed them that we've got a setup, we've got a high probability setup, and I shared it with them. Okay, so now the day later, or the following day, about the following day, I think. Okay, the market actually bought up to our supply zone. As you can see right here, the market actually bought right up to our supply zone, tapped into our supply zone, and there was a sell-off. Okay, this was how the strategy just worked out. Surgical precision. This was surgical precision. Okay, the market bought up to our supply zone and sold out. Okay, very sweet sell-off. Tapped into the zone and sold out. Okay, beautiful setup. So this was it. This was one of our trades. Okay, now let me show you another trade that we also took. This was the same time I marked out this trade on GBP USD. I also marked it out on GBP JPY. Okay, pounds Japanese yen. Okay, Great British Pound Japanese yen, GBP JPY. You see here the market created, took out liquidity right here. There was a break of structure. The market formed some double top liquidity, and I informed my group, that my mentees, that the market was going to buy up to this zone and before selling out. And just as I forecasted or analyzed, the market bought up and sold. See where I got in. Okay, I actually made about $1,400 on this trade. I made about $1,400 on this trade. This is the evidence. Okay, I got into here. Okay, the market actually this GBP JPY setup did not really play out as GBP USD, because it's bought up to almost above the zone, above the supply zone before selling. And I told my group that this market, I'm going to get into this, and the market actually obeyed and sold down. Okay, we made sweet profit. You see, as you can see, this was my profit, $1,428 on this trade. This strategy has made me money. Okay, and I'm not selfish, I'm sharing it with you for free. It has made me so much money, and I want you to learn this strategy if you feel you want to benefit from. If you feel there are many strategies out there, and I'll keep on sharing with you strategies that I use, that I've back tested. But among my array of strategies, okay, among my many strategies, this one is one that I actually love so much. Okay, I might discover new strategies, because we keep on learning every day in the market. I might find out new strategies and better, and when I find them out and backtest them, I always share them with you, so that you too can also benefit from it. Now let's see another one. This is a Euro USD, and I just as others, the market took out liquidity. Okay, broke structure, formed a supply zone, created a liquidity, a range liquidity, bought up to our zone, and now sold off, as we can see right here. Okay, sweet sell out, sold out. Okay, another one. Let's see another chart. This one was in September. This setup was in September on GBP AUD, Great British Pound Australian dollar, against the Australian dollar. Okay, liquidity pool was created right here, and I told my members, my mentees, that the market was going to sell. Okay, I told my mentees that the market was going to sell, and the market sold out. Okay, the market actually sold down, broke structure, went up again. Okay, and now, so before it sold out, I made about $1,326 on this trade. I made about, in just one trade, this trade I made about $1,326, as you can see right here. $1,326 on this one singular trade. Okay, so this strategy has made me so much money, and I felt that I should share with you. Another one on GBP USD in September, I actually saw this setup. Liquidity has also been created, just waiting for the market to buy up to our zone. Okay, and I informed my mentees that this market is going to buy up to our zone and sell. And just as I said, the market bought up to our zone and sold out. Okay, you see evidences of how I have used this strategy, and this strategy has actually worked out for me, and I want you to benefit as well. Okay, now let's see other Let's see if we've got other. Now that what I've just showed you now, mostly the sell models. Okay, I've shared with you short description of the sell model. Now let us see the buy model. Okay, in this place now, liquidity was taken out, structure was broken, creating a fresh supply zone. Okay, and you see there was a double bottom liquidity that was created and now taken out. The market tapped into our zone, our demand zone, and bought out and bought right here. Okay, this is a first buy scenario on the chart I've just shown you. Okay, buy scenario on the chart that I just showed you now. Another buy scenario is this one on the same GBP USD. Liquidity was taken out. There was structural break of structure, creating a fresh unmitigated demand zone. The market bought up, creating a double bottom liquidity, and now sold down to the zone, tapped into the zone, and now bought. There was eccentric confirmation right here, and the market actually bought. Okay, this was another beautiful buy model of this strategy. Okay, beautiful buy model of the strategy. Okay, another example here on Australian dollar USD. Liquidity was taken out. There was a break of structure right here, and now the market bought up, creating some liquidity pool, broke liquidity, took out liquidity, and tapped into our demand zone, and now bought up. Okay, this was another beautiful buy scenario that worked out on this strategy. Okay, let's see if we've got another example. Okay, now this should be our final example on the buy model. Okay, now you see exactly again on all the USD, liquidity was taken out, structural was broken here, creating a fresh unmitigated demand zone. The market bought up again, created a double bottom supply demand zone, sorry, a double bottom liquidity, which was taken out into a fresh unmitigated demand zone, and the market bought up. Okay, market bought up, and beautiful setup buy scenario. Okay, so this, just take out time to backtest this strategy. Okay, take out time to backtest this strategy. Take out time and see how backtest this strategy on your chart. You can demonstrate it and see how it will get used to it, be able to identify the setup, and then you can be ready to trade it. Okay, every method or strategy that I share with you, before you implement them, is wise you just take out time, backtest it on your chart. All right, but do some back trace. Now you can backtest on your demo account, and now when you've gotten a grip or mastery of the strategy, you can now implement it on your live chart, on a live market. Okay, so I want to thank you so much for viewing. Thank you so much for viewing this video, and please, I want to ask again that you kindly subscribe to our channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do us a favor and do yourself a favor as well by subscribing. Okay, like this video. If you like our videos, you encourage us to provide you more content. These are contents that you might not see in other channels. Okay, I provide these contents from my years of experience in the market. Okay, so like this video. When you like my videos, I am encouraged to provide you more, to make more videos. Like our videos, share our videos, and turn on the notification bell so that you can be alerted when new videos are uploaded. So, and also you might want to join our free Telegram group. Okay, in the free Telegram group, I post a free chart analysis from time to time. Okay, and you can get the link to the free Telegram group on the description box of this video. Okay, so I want to thank you so much for viewing our videos, and I want to thank you so much for participating, for staying to this end of this video. Please do not give up in the market. Do not give up. Your time to shine is coming. Okay, it's only a process. If you're not profitable at the moment, don't give up. Over time, you will definitely be profitable if you are consistent and you are resilient. So till I come your way next time with another useful content, thank you so much, and continue to succeed and progress in your trading journey. I wish you all the best. Goodbye.